Fossil fuel combustion also happens across multiple things. So for example, fossil fuel combustion का जो सबसे बड़ा जो cause है वो power generation है. चाहे आप coal use करो या petroleum products use करो जैसे diesel based generator या आप natural gas use करो. But if I look at the country wise, that which countries are the biggest emitters in the world, and as per 2024 data, China is the largest emitter in the world, followed by USA, followed by, if I include the entire region of European Union as one region, then European Union. But if I look at from the individual countries level, then India will be the third largest emitter. So आप लिख सकते हो in terms of per capita emission, in terms of per capita emission, which will be total emission divided by population, per capita emission, India's standing is half of global average per capita emission. Global average per capita emission. I can tell you the data of 2023. The global average per capita emission was 4.7 ton of CO2, and in India it was 2 ton of CO2. Global average, which means that there are countries जिनका per capita emission जो है 12 ton CO2 भी है. Countries like Kuwait and Saudi Arabia, where oil is very cheap.